Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we got this Samsung laptop which the trackpad stopped working. The buttons on here, so the right click and the left click are not working anymore. So we're going to try and get this sorted out today. And yeah, so this is a Samsung R522 laptop, but I'm sure you can probably try and repair it on any laptop, not just this one. But yeah, let me get this opened up and let's have a look at the buttons and test them out to see what's causing them not to work. Laptop open now, and I'm just going to check out these trackpad buttons. I thought they're going to be attached to this bit here, because normally I've seen laptops that have this as one, but this one's actually on the motherboard. So I'm going to try and repair it. You can see that it's not working on the screen. So when I go to there, there's no buttons being pressed. It's actually broken inside, just to see if it's making a connection. So that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. So if we go opposite now, yeah, the button's not working. Let's see if I can try and short these up. There's still nothing happening on the screen. So it might not be the buttons. I'm just shorting these two pins out together. Maybe it needs this trackpad connected. And I'm just going to shut this computer down. Because I've seen laptops before where it does actually need this trackpad in order to work. Let's try it again. So I'm just going to try it with the trackpad connected now, see if it works. I'm just going to short it out. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, so when I tap it twice with the tweezers, it's loading it up. Cool, I'm just going to turn this off and then just get my solder iron so I can start replacing these buttons. Yeah, so these are the buttons that I'm going to be using. Similar. I think the button's just a little bit shorter than this one, but I think it should be alright. So instead of desoldering these, I'm just going to try and snip these off. Oh no, bad idea. I think I've ripped one of the tracks off again. So that just goes all the way through anyway, so it's fine. It normally works, but I don't think these snips are sharp enough. I think they've just been blunted. I'm going to take the other one off as well. Yeah, they're not very sharp. Let me see if I've got another one. Add some flux. I'm just taking off the old pads, the legs of the button. Taking a lot of heat, these ones. I think they're ground planes. I'm just going to test out the continuity again. If I press it, yeah, there you go, the button's working now again. Just do the same on the other side now. Let's see if they work, the buttons. Yep. Right, open Google Chrome. Yeah, and they're working fine. Try left click again, right click, sorry. Yeah. So just to recap, the buttons weren't working on the laptop, the left click or the right click. I tested it without the trackpad, but they still weren't working when I was shorting out the pins. So then I put the trackpad back in, and when I shorted them out they were working, so the buttons were faulty, these ones. So I did cut them off instead of desoldering, but because these are not that they're not very sharp, like, because I've used them for so long, I broke one of the pads, but it doesn't really matter because it's connected anyway to the other side. So yeah, I hope it helps somebody else try and repair their trackpad. It could be like just the whole thing comes off, like with the trackpad and the buttons are connected, but this time the buttons were on the motherboard. So yeah, hopefully it helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and keep learning. Thanks for watching.